Good afternoon, student. Welcome to the VVPS learning classes. Today I am going to teach you the history chapter first. Beginning of the modern period. The chapter I have explained you. Today I will start the exercises. Before starting this, let me tell you that you have to make the history copy ruled wise, not the interleaf copy. Okay, children? Now see the first question. The modern period in India cover the history of last, it will be the 250 years, because I have told you that the modern period has been started from the half of the 18th century till the present time. So it will be 250 years. Second question, who started the division of India history into three periods, Hindu, Muslim and the British? It is James Stuart Mill. Third question, which institution in India is responsible for keeping historical document, record, letter, etc.? I have explained you beta that the National Archives, the National Museum, the Salarang Museum, these all are the places where the important documents, record, letters that were kept by the Britishers. So the answer will be all of this. Now we come to the fourth question. What is the theme of the book Neel Darpan written by the Deenbandhu Mitra? The answer will be exploitation of worker on the indigo plantation. Exploitation, first let me explain you the word exploitation. It means at that time the Britisher torture the people. इसका मतलब होता है शोषण करना. And the indigo means the cloth as we dry, means we can use the dyer for the cotton clothes. इसका मतलब अब इंडिगो का मतलब हुआ कि नील की खेती जो होती थी. So exploitation of worker on the indigo plantation, this will be the answer. Now the fifth question, when was the first ever census held in India? It will be 1871. What did the census do? The census helped in preparing the detailed record of the people in all the provinces of India. So it was first held in 1871. Up to here it is clear. Now we come to the match the following. You see the first question, it is Warren Hastings. He was the first Governor General. Second, government record, it will be the literary sources, means the written resources. Third, James Mill, it is the Scottish economist. The fourth one you can see National Museum, which is in New Delhi. Fifth one, Lord Mountbatten, it is the last Viceroy of India. Now we come to the true and false. See the first question. The modern period in India began from the middle of the 18th century. It will be the true. Second, the chronology is one of the key concepts of the discipline of history. It is false. Chronology means the sequence wise. So here it is written not one of the key, so it is false. The first Surveyor General of India was appointed in 1815. It will be true. The fourth question, the Salarang Museum is located in New Delhi. It will be false. What will be the answer? The Salarang Museum is located in Hyderabad, not in the New Delhi. Up to here children it is clear. Now we come to the short question answers. You see the first question, why is the modern period in India significant to the Indian people? Significance means why is the modern period importance to the Indian people? The modern period in India significant to the Indian people because in this period people awoke to the right to freedom. They strove for freedom and unity and finally became independent in 1947. It want to say here that in this period people awoke to their right to freedom. मतलब ये इस पीरियड में ये लोग जो थे वो जागरूक हुए अपनी आज़ादी के लिए। उन्होंने अपने आज़ादी के लिए लड़ाई किया, यूनिटी बनाई रखी और लास्ट में उनको आज़ादी मिली कब? 1947 में। अप टू हियर इट इज़ क्लियर। In the next video, I will tell you the remaining question answer. Thank you, class.